So see, Aisha.
Yeah.
I don't want to repeat myself again, Aisha. I've been teaching you this thing since we
Why you
are
talk to
married.
me like me? I am a dog. I understand everything that she's talking.
I want us, if we go to village, Aisha. I want
will talk it well. I will
wait
talk it well.
because my sisters children they like folk tale well. They like all those tales by moonlight.
They like pork and spoon.
This folk tale, Aisha now. If I've told you, Akuki Ifo.
Oh, Agwagwa Ipo. Agwagwa, we will get it. Agwagwa, she's plenty
what is
on the
Agwagwa? Akuki Ifo. Tales by moonlight now. All those stories now that they used to tell children. Tortoise story now. Akuki Ifo.
Tortoise. Where shall we get tortoise?
Aisha, see, my friend, Lady Ivy, one more, that their children was born and bred in the USA. They know how to speak Igbo well. It's you now that grew up in Nigeria. Don't you used to meet Igbo people, even as you are a Northerner?
She's not that I speak for Igbo, but you talk something that you can't me. I don't understand what you talk.
Because I want anytime we'll go and see Lady Ivy one more, so that you will do this thing to the children. Let them know that we are Igbos. I know
yes,
you are also
Igbo.
But you know,
yes, now. Yes,
you know you married Igbo man.
Yes.
So show them that you are Igbo too. So it is Akuki Ifo.
Okay, Agwagwa Ipo.
Akuki Ifo.
Aqua Ipo.
It's okay. So how they used to start it is there something you used to say. I teach you that one. Do you remember? Chappy.
Shafai.
Not Chaffy. Chappy.
Shappy.
What will you answer now? If I say Chappy, I taught you now.
Shafai.
No, now. If I say Chappy, you say war. Chappy.
Woo.
Not woo. Chappy war.
Okay, so you talk it one more time. I shall got it.
Chappy war. Chappy
was.
Thank you. So you now tell them. They will not reply. Okay.
That one she's long. You break it on two.
Try it first.
She's very long.
Don't say it now. If
I talk it, you shall get angry because I will not get it right.
Just try.
Muri kus.
Who say couscous here again now, Aisha? You are the one that is making me angry. Who say couscous here? Just reply me. If I say, It's alright. Just learn the song they used to sing during the folk tale. It's a very popular song. If you learn that one, we are okay.
I must learn it for you.
You sing Mbagaba ajambele mbagaba aja gaba ajambele mbagaba ajambele ya
bagaba banene bagaba bangam bang maga bagaba guba.
It's alright.
I got it.
I'm tired of teaching you, Aisha. Please, just
we only started.
It's okay. Please, let me greet you. My friend, please, you don't want to do something to impress me. It's alright, please. Susan greetings to you, my very good friend and sister, Lady Ivy. One more. Susan greetings to your lovely wife. Your lovely husband, sir. And you one more. Night of St. Columbus. Susan greetings to your lovely mother-in-law, Ugudia. Susan greetings to all your sisters and them brothers-in-law. Susan greetings to your brother-in-law, Chokode. Your sister-in-law, Ijoma. Your brother-in-law too, Ifeanyi, that's what's it from Canada. Sing greetings to you, Lady Ivy. One more.
Merry Christmas,
Happy New Year. You guys Happy New Year. Enjoy your seasonal and merriment season. Aisha, just one more time. One more chance.
Okay.
Mbagaba ajam.
Baguba maga gum magaba. You do your best like that. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Season greetings. I dey smell am. Christmas and New Year is around the corner. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Odogu
and Aisha.
Alright, in case you want to wish your loved one
you must wish them
Christmas,
and you must wish them.
In case you need a comedy video from Odogu and Aisha,
you must need it
to wish them season greetings, we are here for you.
Come
we are the light plug for
call our numbers, we shall do it.
The number is on your screen. WhatsApp us if you don't pick the call.
Remember that the season for the celebration is to share love. So it is better that you come to us to share love to your persons.
Use us to extend love to that your loved one. Let us
share you love me.
I love you, baby.
Wish me Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
We are waiting for your call and your WhatsApp message. Let us use a very wonderful video to wish your loved one a wonderful Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yeah. Bye bye. Merry Christmas. New Year.